Good morning to one and all. My name is Akash. I am studying 8th class in ZPHS Narakodu. Good morning to one and all. My name is Vilas. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS Narakodu.
Good morning, sir. My name is Harsha, 8th class in Narakodu.
This project name is Security Alarm System.
Atal Tinkering Lab Narakodu. Name of the project: Door Security Alarm using IR sensor.
Required method. Materials: jumper wires, buzzer, IR sensor, HW battery. Again I will show you. Switch, HW battery, IR sensor, 5 watts buzzer, jumper wires. Application is of the project: automatic door, activating automatic door, and it will use on hospitals, shops, buildings, and etc.
Working of this project: on one piece of the IR sensor attached on the door frame and the other to itself. The two parts grate a closed circuit.
Working of this project: one piece of the IR sensor attached on the door frame of the other to itself. The two parts grate of the closed circuit with when the door is shut. When the door open, the magic on the switch. My project output. You will open the door, the buzzer will sound. IR sensor will switch off the and open the door and sound the buzzer. This is my output. Thank you.